Alright, so currently we are on our way to the reservoir to get some shots of all the cars before it gets dark. And pretty much hang out for a second and get some more shots, and that's it. That'd be it for the video. Well, when I get back home, I'm going to show the rest of the install for the HIDs that I did for my dad. So, I'm going to go from there. It's Dustin! It's his first time in the vlog. That's Dustin. He just bought this Q50 and it's amazing. And I love it.
I love it too.
And it's dirty.
First car. I know, and it's clean. I was actually leaving to go wash it, but then you're like, meet at Big R now, so.
Yep. I was a little bit late. It smells like deer up under here.
Does it? Under your car?
It smells like deer.
Why?
I don't know. I think I hit a possum or something. I had to have.
Well, let me turn around so you can get up information.
Look at that. That boy's looking fresh over here. Hey, Tristan. Tristan. What are you doing? Why are you always sucking on a straw every time I see you?
Did you do it yet?
Huh?
Did you do it yet?
Do what?
Alignment?
No. I'm still pulling to the left like really, really hard. For some dumb reason. It's horrible. What's going on, dude? Long time no see.
You vlogging?
I always do.
Hell yeah.
Yeah? You're gonna be in it.
That's the shit.
We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers and like 200 more. I'll get that by Monday.
Shit.
Oh yeah. Hey, that boy Dustin. Look how fresh this interior is. And it smells good in here. Holy smokes.
Hey, you gotta keep it fresh.
It does. It smells big time fresh.
I brought a little bit along.
Look at all that. Sweet.
It was clean, you know. It's got all fancy stuff. It's got the driving performance.
Man. I think I'm going to get some rollers and stuff too.
Yeah.
So I want this car in it too.
Sounds good.
Yep. Get some like little tiny vlogs too. Well,
Chill
like
out here for a little bit?
little cinematics.
Or are we leaving right now?
I think we may go to a different spot. This is too open and like kind of too close.
I feel that.
It's big but close, but yeah, you know what I mean.
I was wondering if we were going to be here for just a minute so he can get out or not. If we're going to leave here soon,
I think we're going to leave here in a minute. Yeah, we're running out of daylight, so we got to hurry up. Yep.
Yo, what's up with your rear bumper?
I shoot a lot of flames and stuff like that, you know.
Dude, my time get black too.
It's pretty much all bad.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to rewrap it. It's not going to be white anymore. As you can tell, I can't keep it clean.
It looks like crystal.
Well, it literally won't come clean.
That's rich as hell.
Yeah, you're running really fucking rich right now.
All the way here, you can smell it.
My upstream oxygen sensor is bad. It's been bad ever since I bought the car. Alright, that'll be it for the video today. Look at all the cars we got out here. My car, Tristan's car, Dustin's car, Robert's car. Boom.
I mean, it was on a 5.0.
We're done.
Because of the quality. They didn't have the high pitched twang, nothing.
That's Robert. He's part of Lowcals too. You'll see him more on the channel whenever he decides to actually come out.
No.
You all know Tristan.
What's good?
And then we got Dustin.
Hello.
Dustin is new to the channel too. You'll see him more often. He's going to be building this Infiniti Q50. You guys will have to stay updated on this car. Nasty car. I like it. Huh?